Hi everyone, it's 𝚠𝚊𝚝𝚌. Welcome back to my channel. So in this video, we are gonna paint sea scenery together. I'm using my Sakura watercolor, but you can use any watercolors to make it. First, I tip the paper so there will be a white space left and the paper won't move around. I suggest you to use thick paper to prevent it become crumble and perforate. Now, I mix light brown and orange for the sand color. Also, I mix blue and green for the water to get a perfect sea vibes. Brushing the sand color with a light consistency and make it transparent. You can use a white brush, but any brush doesn't matter as long as we swipe it gently. Do the same thing for the sea color. Spread a thicker consistency at the bottom and the top to make it more gradient. Before we move to the next step. Now we mix blue, light green, and a little bit white to make a lighter sea color. Paint a random round shape with the dark color. Make sure you make it as random as possible and don't make it too small because we're gonna paint 2 layers on it. The reason why I make it random is to prevent our eyes only focus to some spot. Along the way, mix the dark color with the light one because we want to make it brighter towards the sand. Don't worry if it looks pale. Remember, we're gonna paint other layer on it. Come near to the sea sand. Mix the sand color with the sea color. It will produce greenish color. And use it to paint a smaller shape and add more sand color. Don't forget to make a sea line so we could be more aware where we should stop painting the sea. next step, we paint random shape with a darker color than the base. Make it random inside the motif before, but still connected each other, so it was like making the previous one but border inside the existing motif. Make sure you paint it brighter along the way, guys. Keep working. I know we can do it together. Those greenish color make the sea looks more realistic. Greenish color. And once again, let it dry. Now we make the third layer with a darker color. Do the same step as before. You can continue this step until reach the bottom and repeat it, but you could just stop. Once again, let it dry. Now we make a glaze layer using a very light and watery consistency. Please make sure it's dry perfectly, believe in me, or you will just mess the pattern just like what I did. multiple shoreline because there is no one perfect line on Earth. Add a shadow under the lines and repaint the sand. Now, add a white color for the sea foam following the shoreline. Paint more shadow below the foam to make it more realistic. Mix brown and greenish color and paint it near the foam as a sea bubble. You can add more shadow until you feel enough. Paint white dots as the details, or you can just do like I do. Tap, 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 and I splash it around. It's so hard, so I need to add more water, and voila, it could splash. Add more and more detail. We did it, guys! This is the hardest time for me, but becomes satisfying part for some people. I did it very slowly. Oh my god. My paper again and again. Yeah, that's all. Congratulations, we finished it together. And if you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe.